Okay, in this video we're going to look at this column over here, column K, where it states do you have at least 2 days without gaming per week? And you can see that in this column we have blank values. Well, they look like blank values, and we're going to use something called the find special menu to find these blanks. Now this is a strange thing that happens when you import data, okay, in the method that we've used, that they are not actually blanks. So let me just demonstrate what I mean. If I go onto the find and select menu, which is what you're going to do in a minute, I'm going to highlight this column first, and I'm going to go on the find and select, and I'm going to go to special. Okay, here I can select what I want to go to. I want to go to the blanks, so I'm going to select blanks and I'm going to click OK. Okay, but you can see that it hasn't selected any of my blanks. That's because they're not blank. So what I need to do is this is going to sound very strange, I'm going to have to delete the contents of the cell. So I'm going to be using the delete key on the keyboard. So I'm going to click inside the cells where the blank values are, and I'm going to press the delete key. So I just clicked it there, I'm doing it there, highlight those two, I press delete, highlight those two, I've pressed delete. Okay, click in this one, I press delete, 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 and that's all of the blank values. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight again, like I've just done, this column. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to go find and select, and I'm going to go to special, and this time I want to go to the blanks again. Okay, and now you can see it's selected the blanks for me. So the first one is selected, okay, but you can see it's selected the other blank values in my selection. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace those blank values with a value, all right, because I want something in there. So I'm going to just type in the words no response. Okay, I'm not going to click anything. You don't click anything. Okay, you don't select anything, because if you do that it will unselect all the ones you've just selected. So I'm just going to type in no response like that, and then you're going to press Control and enter. Okay, if you just press enter, it's not going to work. Let me show you. If I just press enter, so I'm going to put no response. If I press enter, it'll only put the first blank value, and I have to go through and do them all automatically. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to type in no response. I'm going to press Control, CTRL on the keyboard, and the return key. Okay, and then it puts no response in all of those blank values. So that's how I remove blank values in a spreadsheet. Okay, using find special. Okay, and looking for blanks.